After long hours on the road, the last cowboys rely on their trusty truck. Their trucks let them ride high in the saddle, day after day, year after year, always chasing the road.
Hurry it up, you need to get to the shipper before they close.
What shipper? I got no info.
I will send it. Hurry it up and get there.
You know it's 5 hours away. We're not gonna make it in time. Too bad we can't go faster.
I know, but we can't afford to get caught. We told the insurance we were at the governed speed limit, and a speeding ticket at that speed we would need to go would prove otherwise.
Maybe we can catch them before they leave for the day.
You know, that will be a slim chance. Everyone wants to work from 9 to 5.
A lot of companies don't want to pay for overtime.
They're calling to see where you're at.
I'm a little over an hour away.
They're not going to wait for you. I told you to get there before they close.
Do you think we still have the load?
I don't think they will find anyone in a half hour. I'm sure we'll find out in the morning.
John, wake up. There's another truck.
Okay, I'll go check in.
You were supposed to be here yesterday.
I know. I tried to make it before you closed. I sat in your parking lot all night.
I will try to work you in today.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Looks like the waiting game again.
Back it into a door. We will have you out after lunch.
I got the paperwork. Let's roll, Mitt.
On the road again. I just can't wait to be on the road again.
Are you going to get it off today?
I just got it picked up just a little bit ago.
They wanted it by 4. Now I'm going to have to see if they got an appointment for tomorrow.
I wonder how bad they want this stuff.
If they want it, they'll stay for us. Or we'll be the first one unloaded tomorrow. Let's pull over and get some fuel. I need a restroom break.
What's with the pump?
They must not want us to see how much we're spending. They must be waiting for a new pump.
The driver must have not been paying attention to his driving.
It might have been an oversized load and clipped the pump. I'm going to take a little bit here. I will just park you in the lot.
What? Not going to take your half hour in the fuel island like everyone else?
Only super truckers can do that, Mitt. I'm one of them old school drivers that just gets out of the way for another driver.
I see you're looking at that old wagon.
It's nice to see that people are saving history for others to experience it up close and personal. So much history has been lost over the years. It is not until you lose it that you realize how valuable it was.
So you're gonna keep me around for a while?
As long as I can, I help build you with my own sweat and blood. You know, every day I look you over to make sure you don't break down on the side of the road.
I know you wouldn't leave me alone if I did break down on the side of the road.
I would even wait for you to get out of the shop bay and make sure I checked on you every day you were there.
Where are you? Are you gonna make it tomorrow?
Well, it'll be later tomorrow night.
They want it there right away in the morning, so get it there.
Sounds like I will have to help drive.
Yeah, we'll need your help for a few hours. I'll get you past the scale. All your sensors are up to driving the interstate tonight?
All of them seem to be working all right.
Well, let's pull over. I need a stretch.
You know, we still won't make it there right away in the morning.
Yeah, I know. It will be there early afternoon, if nothing happens.
I told you to be there right away in the morning.
I drove all night to get where I'm at right now. I'm not going to be there until the after lunch.
I will tell them that. They might see it today.
Sorry, our receiving person goes home at noon. There is no one that can help you till tomorrow.
Looks like we hurried for nothing.
Noon seems a bit early for them to stop receiving.
Are you gonna get unloaded? I got a good load for you to pick up in a few hours.
No, I'm not. The way it sounds, I'm not going to get unloaded till tomorrow.
But I already got you on this load.
You will probably have to find someone else to take that load.
Or just call the company and tell them that we will pick it up tomorrow, if that's all right.
I'm sure that is why he gets paid the big bucks.
Door 2.
You going to work on your comic book?
Yeah, I have to make my story more believable for DOT. In their set of rules, you can't drive by yourself. Maybe one day they will.
A few things will have to change before then. I need more sensors that work.
Well, until then, let me upload some of the rules so you can help the comic book story.
So you want me to lie?
Lie? It's such a hard word. Just ask the government. They demand the truth, but will lie to millions. And the sad thing is, it starts at the top. The most important thing is that the lie is effective. So what I need you to do, Mitt, is to make sure your RPMs in your engine log matches the book here. All timestamps need to match.
What are the timestamps?
Well, timestamps for us are going to be anything that can mark us at a certain time and place. Like using a credit card to put fuel on, going across the chicken coop, tolls, transponders, and getting your license plate number on a license plate reader.
License plate reader?
Yeah, some states have DOT officers sitting in the Meridian with their vehicle and taking pictures of you and your speed traveling, and then they'll mail it to your company to keep on file. Some using portable little trailers with cameras on them so they can mail you a nice little speeding ticket.
Sounds like the rise of the robot cop.
Well, right now it's only the start. Right now the government has an army of cell phones giving tons of info, even more info with these smartphones. Let me get back to the point. If we can have most of them match up, we will be good.
Most of the time, this should be easy, because we run what the comic book says.
You got the right idea.
No, really.
I know.
You're ready to go. Everything came off okay.
Better get T-loads on the horn and see what's next.
They don't have the load anymore.
What happened to the other load we were going to get?
You never mind about that.
My guess is that he lost it.
Well, I hope he finds another load soon. Sitting here don't make us any money. Thank you for watching my video. I do have more for you to view. Just press on the button. And if you'd like to subscribe to stay up to date, you can push that button too.